Welcome to this WordPress tutorial on how to move a widget in just a few minutes. In this guide, you'll learn how to reposition any widget on your WordPress site quickly and easily using the built-in site editor. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to your WordPress website. Once your homepage appears, look toward the top right corner and click on the login option. This is the first step to accessing your site's admin area. After clicking login, you'll be prompted to sign in. For a smooth and fast experience, choose Continue with Google. This lets you log in using your Google account credentials, removing the hassle of remembering another password. Once signed in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. Next, focus on the Quick Links section. This area is designed for convenience and helps you access key tools right away. Locate the Edit Site option and click on it. Doing so will open the WordPress site editor, where you can adjust your site's layout and design. Inside the editor, look for the widget block you want to move. A widget block represents a section of your website, such as a sidebar item, footer text, or social media feed. Click once on the block to select it. When selected, it becomes highlighted, indicating it's ready for editing. Now, look towards the top navigation bar of the editor. You'll notice a group of 6 dots. These indicate that extra options are available for this element. Click on the dots to activate additional controls. This prepares the widget for repositioning. With the controls active, it's time to move your widget. Click and hold on the widget block, then drag it to your desired location. As you move it, you'll see blue highlight lines or shaded areas showing where it can be placed. Gently release your mouse button to drop it into the new spot. You've now successfully repositioned your widget. This drag and drop feature provides an intuitive way to update your site's design, no coding required. It's perfect for quick layout adjustments and helps keep your site looking clean, modern, and well organized. And that's it. Your widget has been moved. This quick and efficient process shows how flexible and user-friendly WordPress can be when it comes to customizing your website. Enjoy the simplicity of managing your layout with ease and confidence. Happy widget moving.